How to make an Etsy shop. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to make an Etsy shop in your mobile phone. To start, open your Etsy application in your mobile device. And then in here, tap on Open One Today. Once you tap on the button, you will now be redirected to your internet browser over to Etsy.com. Once you are here, scroll down and then look for the button that says Open Your Etsy Shop. In here, choose you whether you want to log in using your Apple, Google, or Facebook. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Facebook account so that it's going to be a lot easier. Once you're here, input your Facebook credentials and then tap on Login. In here, tap on the button that says Let's Do This. And then in here, over what brings you to Etsy, choose from any of the options. Or you could also choose to skip this question. Once done choosing, tap on the next button this time. Then in here, if you need help with anything, give it a check mark. But if you're already confident enough in using Etsy, just scroll down and then tap on Next. Or you could also skip this question as well. On this section, tap on the button that says Start Your Shop. At Shop Preferences, input the details from your shop language, your shop country, and then your shop currency. Now scroll down over here, and then on the first form, you're going to input the name of your shop. Once done, click on the button that says Save and Continue. Just make sure your shop name is unique and has no duplicates. Then tap on Save and Continue once again. Then over at this section, you're now going to input the details of your product, starting with your listing details from the title and about this listing and the category. So go ahead, take your time in inputting the details over here. In here, it's also very vital that you input your currency as well. And then if you have variations, input your variations as well. And then in here, there are a lot of details to fill up. So go ahead, take your time in filling up the details of your Etsy shop. Once done, click on Save and Continue. And that's it. Hopefully you got some value in this one. So please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.